Alright, so I'm out here, gonna Maiden my new Tricopter I just made. It's all 3D printed, and it looks like I have the local sheriff's department, and off over that direction is the local news station, for whatever reason. So I got an audience today. Alright, so the whole thing is scratch built. You got a sheet of carbon fiber on the bottom. The top here is 3D printed. It's actually two pieces. The KK2 board has got its own mount. Suspended with little rubber bands. Running the orange 6-channel with the satellite module. Landing gear, yeah, those went bad. Something happened during the print, and they got messed up, so they're only half the size. So they were actually supposed to be a little larger, and luckily they didn't print out because they're way too huge. I mismeasured something. The motors were spare off of a original X8 that I built. That was my one of my first quads. Hopefully you can hear this with this damn helicopter flying over. These are the NTM prop drive 3536 910 kV. I got these from HobbyKing. The booms are from HobbyKing. They're the labeled as 10.5 millimeter. They're 10 millimeter carbon fiber rods, almost 30 inches. Cut them in half. Took 2 rods to do it. The front 2 are one solid, cut in half, and then the back one is another one that's another half. It's got a 4,000 milliamp Turnigy on it. I'm going to see how well that works. Again, this is the Maiden flight. ESCs are the HobbyKing BlueSeries, non-flashed. I get to flash these. I wanted to make sure everything was going to work fine. Same with the KK2 board. It's the original stock firmware. So let's go ahead and get this powered up. I don't know what it's going to do. The rear servo mount, it's all custom made, one of a kind. It's got 2 bearings in the middle. Kind of give you a side shot here. Hoping it works fairly well. There's a little bit of wobble in it, but not too much. I'm sure that will be an issue, but you gotta start somewhere. So let's see how well it flies. Not bad. Got a little tweaking to do. Wind's picking up a little bit, but it's not too bad. It works. These damn helicopters. Cool. So when I'm all done, all I gotta do, pick a hold of it, slide it in. Ta-da! It's all packed up, ready to go.